Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Zebronics Bluetooth headphones to your phone. First, ensure your headphones are powered on and fully charged. Look for a blinking LED light, usually blue or red, which indicates they are in pairing mode and ready to be discovered by your device. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection process. Next, grab your phone and open its settings menu. Scroll down to find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle switch is in the on position. Your phone will then automatically begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices, including your Zebronics headphones, which should appear in the list shortly. Once your phone has scanned, you should see your Zebronics headphones listed under available devices. The name will typically start with Zebronics followed by its model number. Simply tap on this name to initiate the pairing process. If prompted, confirm any pairing requests that appear on your screen to establish the connection. After a few moments, your phone will display a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. Simultaneously, the LED light on your Zebronics headphones will stop blinking and remain solid, confirming they are paired. You can now enjoy high-quality audio wirelessly. Try playing some music to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.